Hello everyone, this is Ganesh and in this video I am going to explain how to factorize the quadratic polynomials. Yes, here we have one identity. We can use that identity to factorize the quadratic polynomial. It is very important in so many ways we are using this quadratic polynomial, very important topic. I'll give you a few examples. Easily you can solve these kind of problems. And before that, please subscribe my channel and please share it, and the views and everything we needed, please do these things. And this is the identity for use for find the factors for the quadratic polynomial. For example, this is a quadratic polynomial. And these are the factors. Factors, the product of any two numbers or any two expressions, is those are called factors, we can say. So x plus a and x plus b are the factors of this. So our given problem in this form, then we can converting into factors. For example, here I am taking one polynomial, that is x square plus 12x plus 35. It is quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the degree of this polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. So how can we find the factors for this? So the middle term, this we have to split it as a plus b, and this we have to split it as a into b. So in that way we have to write it. That means a value, what is a, what is b, we have to find it. For that, one thing you have to do, the last constant term we have to take it. For the constant term, find the factors for this. What are the factors of these? Means 5 7s are 35. 5 and 7 are factors of 35. Is there any other options are there for 35? Yes, there 135s are also there. And is there any other? Means there is no other factors, only 5 and 7. 5 7s or 7 5s are. Yes, after finding the factors, what we have to do is, if we add or subtract, we must get 12, the middle term quotient is there, that we have to get it if we add or subtract. For example, if I add these two, 5 plus 7, I'll get 5 plus 7, I'll get 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. Yes, and even signs also very important. So that means what? Here, after finding the factors of the last term, that means constant term, then if we multiply these two, we must get the last term 35, and if we add, we'll get the middle term with sign. If minus is there, minus also we have to take it. So 12 we are getting. That's the reason these two are factors. Then write one is 5x, another one is 7x. Now write the same thing. Now we can write x square plus 5 plus 7x plus the last one is 5 into 7. So in this expression, now exactly this is in the form of x square a plus b. A plus b is 5 plus 7. A into b is 5 into 7. That means we got it. What is a and what is b? A is 5, b is 7. Now this is equal to this one RHS. That means we can write the same thing, x plus 5 into x plus 7. So x plus a, x plus b. So these are the factors of the given expression. For the same problem, we can use this another way also. For example, here we got 5x and 7x. Now I'll write x square plus 12x. I'll write 5x plus 7x. So 5x plus 7x, 12x. 12x we can write in that form, plus here 35 you can write it. Now here finally these two terms you take it. Now from these two terms, what are the common things? Here x is common. So if I take x common, x plus 5 is left here. And from these two, what is the common thing? Both plus are there, plus you write it. And here also 7 5s are, that means 7 is there, 7 common. Then I'll write x plus 5. So now this one is one term, this one is another term. In these two, x plus 5 is common. So x plus 5 take out common. After that, x plus 7 is left. In between these two, multiplication symbol is, so x plus 5, x plus 7. In this way also we can find it. Most of the times we are using this method only. Just try to do this. Yeah, here one more example I've taken. So this is quadratic polynomial. How to factorize this? I told you the last constant term is 21. Here minus 21 is there. So that is very important. Plus means plus 21, minus 21 we have to take. For minus 21 we have to find the factors. So factors are, first 121s are we can write, and 3 table if I take 3 sevens are 21, and otherwise 7 threes are. Is there any other possibilities? No. After finding these two, we need minus 21. So one of the factor must be having negative sign. So how can we decide? Means yes, anyway if I take these two, if I add or subtract, I won't get 4. But here you see 3 and 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, but 7 minus 3, 4 we are getting, yes. But we need minus 4 we needed here, minus 4 is needed, minus 4. Then how do we get minus 4? Means if the biggest number is out of 3 and 7, biggest number is 7. So if I put minus for 7, then it becomes 3 minus 7 is minus 4. At the same time, if we multiply, we must get minus 21. Yes, 3 minus 7 are minus 21, and if I add these two, I'll get minus 4. So we can take 3x is 1, another one is minus 7x. Two factors we got it now. So these two write it. So here m is there, so take m in the place of x. So write these two things, m square, then plus 3m minus 7m minus 21. So minus 4m we can write, we can split like this, the plus 3m minus 7m, that means minus 4m we are getting, there is no change. So now select two terms. So select 2 terms, then from these two, what is the common? M is common. So if I take m common, here one more m is left, m plus 3, and here minus is common, minus take out common, at the same time 7 also, because it is, we can write 7 threes are. So 7 take out common, then m, so minus already we have taken, that's the reason here plus is there. Then 3 is left here, 3 is left, so m plus 3. And always after taking common, these two expressions must be equal, even with the signs. Now from these two, m plus 3 is common, m plus 3, then another one is m minus 7. So m plus 3 and m minus 7 are the factors of the given polynomial. And here see another problem here. Then again quadratic polynomial, how to factorize this quadratic polynomial. So I told you last term we have to select, but before that we have to check, is there any quotient is having x square other than 1. So here x square term is having other than 1, 3 is there. At this time we have to multiply this 3 and the last constant term, we have to multiply. This is the thing, only one thing we have to change for the different problem. That means if x square is having any other quotient except 1. So multiply these two, 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18. Now again same procedure we have to follow. 18, for 18 we have to find the factors. After that same method, split the middle term, take out common and everything, we have to do it. So for example here 1 18s are, and 2 9s are, 3 6 are. So is there any other factors are there, we can find it. And here after finding the factors, now we have to check it. Middle term is 11. Where do we get 11? Only one possibility, that is 2 and 9. These two factors we have to select it. Yes, if we multiply 2 9s are 18, if we add 2 plus 9 11, so we can select it. Now one is 2x, another one is 9x. So split the middle terms, 3x square plus this is 2x plus 9x plus 6. Now from these two, what is the common? X only common. Then what is left? 3x plus 2 is left, and from these two 3 is common. X plus yes, 3 3 is 9 means 3x plus 2 is left. Now 3x plus 2 take out common, and x plus 3 take out common. So after taking common, x plus 3. So these two are the factors of the given quadratic polynomial. And I hope you understand well how to factorize the quadratic polynomials. I hope you understand well, and please subscribe and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box.